Don't say climate is good today, weather is good today. Do you know the difference between weather and climate? We've seen a lot of people using these two words interchangeably and indiscriminately. Yes, they are similar, but they are different. In today's lesson, I'm going to tell you the difference between weather and climate. And before we go to the lesson, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, why don't you subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be notified when we upload our next lessons. So, weather and climate. Yes, they are similar. They both denote condition of the atmosphere. Condition of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the air blanket around the earth. Air blanket around the earth, we call it atmosphere. Not atmosphere, it's atmosphere. Now, what is the difference? Let's look at weather first. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere for a short period of time. Condition of the atmosphere of a place for a short period of time. For example, a few hours, maybe a few days, a day, a few days, or a few weeks, a couple of weeks. That's it. It's not longer than that. So, it's raining today. It was sunny yesterday. It's raining today. And it's going to be windy tomorrow. All these statements are about weather. Basically, I'm speaking about weather now. Yesterday it was windy. Today it is raining. Tomorrow it is going to be sunny. So all these statements are about weather because basically I'm speaking about that short period of time, not a year or not a few years, right? And similarly, weather can change from minute to minute. For example, you can say it was sunny this morning and now it's raining. Earlier this morning it was sunny and now it is raining. So it can change from minute to minute, which means it can change quickly. Weather can change quickly. Maybe in a matter of few seconds it can change. Now let's move on and see what climate is. Yes, we've done with weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place for a short period of time. Now, climate is the average weather condition or average condition of the atmosphere of a place for a long period of time. Weather, short period of time, and climate, long period of time. So climate describes the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. For example, we say temperatures in the UAE in summer months can go as high as 50 degrees Celsius. So this statement is basically about climate condition because we are not just looking at what the temperature was in that country, I mean in the UAE last year or this year, this summer, but we look at weather conditions over a long period of time, say some 30-35 years, and we say yes, it can go as high as, temperature can go as high as 50 degrees Celsius in summer. So this is climate. One more example, monsoon wind hits South India in the first week of June. In this statement, in this sentence as well, we're not speaking about what time of the year monsoon winds reached South India last year or before last year, but we are speaking about general thing. And this general idea, general data is derived from collecting data for so many years, weather data for so many years, and we say, yes, by averaging all these things together, we say, yes, it is the first week of June that monsoon winds reach South India. So in all these examples, the example of the UAE, summer temperatures can go as high as 50 degrees Celsius in the UAE, and Saudi Arabian summer and winter. Yes, summers are very hot in Saudi Arabia and winters are very cold as well. And similarly, wind pattern, monsoon winds in South India. In all these examples, we are speaking about what the pattern is like. So it's not short span of time, but it is something for a long period of time. So that is a key difference. At least some of you might have seen people saying climate is good today or climate was good yesterday. Of course, I've seen a lot of people saying climate is good and climate was bad yesterday, etc. So are these sentences right? Is climate the right word in these examples? No, climate is not the right word in these examples because in both these examples they are speaking about condition of the atmosphere for a short span of time, short period of time. So basically they have to use the word weather in these examples. So make sure you use the correct one. So don't say climate is good today, weather is good today, weather was terrible yesterday, it was raining all day, it was terrible, it was raining cats and dogs, heavy rain, cats and dogs, or it was bucketing down. So it was bucketing down, it was terrible, weather was terrible yesterday. So all these sentences are about weather conditions. Now the gist is that both of these words denote condition of the atmosphere of a place, but weather for a short span of time and climate for a long period of time. So this is the difference here. So that's the end of today's lesson on the difference between weather and climate. I believe you could understand the key difference between these two words, weather and climate, and you are going to use the right one in the right time, in the right place, right? Yep. And with that, it's time to say bye-bye. But before I say bye-bye, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and press that bell icon as well. And if you think that it is going to be useful for someone else, please do share with them as well. And if you like the video, of course, please give a like. And with that, it's bye-bye.